Okay. So I'm Mr. Ed Lane at Mr. Ed Lane on Instagram, and I have got my new Ridge wallet. And so this is basically my um, walkthrough of what I intend to do. So I have been using Echo Clips as a wallet. So my plan is to explain to my audience that I got a new Ridge wallet and that I am excited to upgrade from the Echo Clip. Uh, I actually will point out that my most recent Echo Clip is actually bent because it's an Echo Clip and not a wallet. And then I will do basically an unboxing of the Ridge wallet, which, by the way, you guys can see I've got it recessed about a half inch. It's because this box is impossible to get open when it's all the way down. So I will do the unboxing. I will point out how I got this awesome blue one, and I will hold the Ridge wallet with the logo up, and I will take out the card that you guys use as a placeholder, and I will put my cards in, and it's as easy as that. And now I have this fancy new Ridge wallet, and I got to practice at fanning the cards out because that is definitely a talent. And then I'll plug some of the cool benefits like having over 40,000 testimonials. I don't know what's printing in the background, but it should be your cheat sheet that has the non-required. So I'm going to put a few non-requireds in there. I'm going to plug the link so people can get a discount, and I will put overlay on the images. So that's the plan. I'm going to send you this video. Let me know if you need any changes to the plan. Otherwise, I will put the plan into motion. All right. That's Mr. Ed Lane signing off. Thanks so much for the collaboration and the opportunity.